Right, guys, this is second round of Wonder Hero giveaway. Sorry, and this one they are going to pay 450 Wonder Hero. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So when we say description box, this is called the description box. Majority do ask what is description box. So the video that I'm going to do now, you'll be seeing the title like this. So when you see the description, you'll be seeing an arrow beside the title of the video. At your right hand side, you'll be seeing an arrow there. When you tap on that arrow, this is called the description box. So you go to more, then you see everything under the video, what the video talks about. I'm sorry. All right, so when we say the airdrop referral link, there's the referral link and the WhatsApp group, and the rest talks about the video. So let's continue. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box so that you can get access to it. Tap on it. Let's go back to our Telegram bot and start. So when you tap on the link that I'll be leaving in the description box, this is what it will come. It will redirect you to Telegram bot like this. So what you have to do is go to start. When you go to start, they will ask you to join Hero Telegram group. So you are going to join that one. So join, then you go back, you join there, another one, then you go back and you go to next. After you go to next, you have to follow them on what? Twitter. So you tap on the link here. It will open and direct you to Twitter. So you have to what? Follow them on Twitter like it. So to the new users, you have to go to follow. So when you tap on the follow, you are done. But they say we should what? Retweet their pin post. So let me read it again. So it says follow the Twitter page, like and retweet the latest post, and tag 3 of your friends. So that's it. So I have to like to the video. So when you say like, the love there, you tap on it, then you go to quote tweet, because that is where we can what? Tag people. So maybe later, then you go to good project, then you space it, you go to they says we should tag 3 people. So one is maybe Elon Musk, then the third person is Dice Limited. All right, then you retweet it. So you are done with it, then you go back, then you send in your username. So at Dice Money Makers, at Dice Money Makers. That is my Twitter username or Twitter account. So when you want to follow us, you can follow us on Dice Money Makers. I do send some of the airdrops whilst not every day I get chance to do videos, so I do send some on Twitter, so kindly follow me there to get some of the airdrops also there. So after that, you send it, they will ask you to follow them on their, what they call it, YouTube page. So you will like, comment to their latest post, then you send in your username. So mine is at Dice Media TV. All right, so you are done. So the next thing that you have to do is to go to refer, then you refer others. So this is it. It says congratulations, 450 Wonder Hero successfully added to your balance. Don't forget to complete the task. For each referral, you're going to get 30 Wonder Hero. All right, so when you want to redraw, you just have to go to redraw, but they will ask you to send in your BEP20 account. So you have to go to the Binance Smart Chain. Then, but this one, unless you get the minimum withdrawal, so all that you have to do is go to the Binance Smart Chain and copy the contract address and come back. Then you go to info token. So when you go to info token, that is where you'll be getting the exact contract address of Wonder Hero. So I'll be leaving. All right, so there's it. It has come. So you have to tap on this link, this place. Yeah, the contract address here. When you tap on it, it will copy it automatically. So you just copy, you go to your Trust wallet. So